again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video and also a website. So I'll leave both links down below, which will be my Amazon affiliate and their website, so you can look back at the deals they have going on right now during Prime Week. So if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out, and they'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe from the holiday weekend we just had. And here we go. This is a MagTame, the world's first clutter-free magnetic charging data cable for all phones they have. So definitely check out this one right here. It is super cool. I got the AC color black, length 1M, black and gray, and it's magnetic MagTame. So if you guys are in the market, now's the time to pick these up with the sales going on this week. Ooh, I already opened it, so that's why it kind of looks like this. But as you can see, they are connecting. So you can have your card looking good. Instead of having all these cables, all you need is this. This will handle your clutter problem with the cables. Look at that. Really nice design. Just pull it apart. And it does quick charge too. It's really good in charging. MagTame. And then also, it's a good size too. If you can see all the way down. I'm gonna plug it in my tablet. Like I said, you can use it for your smartphones, tablets, whatever you need. It charges right away, as you can see right there. Fully charged, 100. But yeah, this is definitely one of the nicer cables I've got. There we go. So it is charging. You can see it right there. Oh, right there. Right there. So we're good to go on that. And like I said, you can use anything, smartphones, tablets. But if you want a clutter-free life without those cables, I mean, so many cables now. But nothing like this, though. Look at this. That's perfect. Your animals won't chew this either. This is like really strong. I'm not going to cut it, but you can see right there it's a really nice cable. Your cats won't eat it, that's for sure. Or whatever kind of furry animal you have. They ain't going to get through these, that's for sure. Well made, though. Definitely a nice pair. Or nice cable to get. And, yeah, that'll be it for this one. Got another video coming up in a few. I'll be right back. You guys be safe. Have a good night.